Every driver should have one best emergency car kits in their car, regardless of how many miles they drive on any given day. Having those tools and equipment means you're ready for whatever situations may arise out on the open road. It can be the difference between being stranded and actually making it to your final destination. There's a huge range of emergency car kits available, but what they offer varies from kit to kit. You're not likely to find one with everything you might need, but they do making great starting points. And it doesn't matter if you're feeling a little overly impulsive, because the right kit could be a lifesaver one day. The first secure car emergency kit includes key tools such as 10.0 foot, 8-gauge jumper cables, nylon tow straps, a 250.0 psi air pump, a 7-piece tire repair kit, and a 48-piece medical supply kit. Unlike many other kits, the tools included are high quality and durable, which is why we chose it as the overall best car emergency kit. This kit doesn't include a space blanket or cold weather gear, so it may not be the best car emergency kit for drivers who regularly drive in cold conditions. This product also includes a 7-piece tire repair kit. The Liangson Roadside Assistance Emergency Kit is a 142-piece pack with items such as 8.0 foot jumper cables, a small toolkit, a tow rope, and an emergency hammer. Compared to other emergency kits on this list, the Liangson product is compact and budget-friendly. We also like that it has a hand-crank flashlight rather than a battery-powered one. However, this emergency kit doesn't have any tire repair tools or a space blanket. Its first aid components are basic. Another kit that lacks some basic essentials, the Evolute Roadside Assistance Kit still comes with a number of quality items to handle some of the problems you may encounter on the road. 12-foot jumper cables are a major asset, and the first aid kit is noticeably better than what a lot of competitors seem to think is adequate. But no emergency car kit is perfect, and the Evolute kit includes enough well-made equipment to get you started. Just be sure to buy another bag to keep any additions inside, because Evolute doesn't have room for anything extra. Colo Sports has packed in all of the things required to make sure that any unexpected issues will not lead to you being stranded in the middle of the road. The package includes a 25-piece toolkit, a proper tire repairing kit, and a first aid kit too. Whether it be a breakdown or a dead battery, everything will be solved with the help of this emergency kit. The aid kit, on the other hand, has bandages, cotton balls, and much more to ensure that small injuries will not have a chance to get infected. This Ready America 70,280 72-hour emergency kit can be used to sustain 2 people for more than 72 hours. That is impressive. For cars, however, it can be classified as a medical kit. The 33-piece first aid kit is perfect for minor injuries and wounds. You can clean and disinfect them with the supplies included in the package. Ready America has also included 2 food bars that can be eaten for quick energy. There are water pouches too. All of this has a 5-year shelf life, which means that you will not have to worry about them expiring for a long time. There are 2 buying options when you purchase this emergency kit. There is a 13-piece one, and there is a 75-piece one. Both of them are designed for different scenarios. The 13-piece one contains everything there is to fix vehicle issues. A flat tire or a dead battery will not be your concern anymore with this kit. The 75-piece alternative, on the other hand, is designed for general use. It has medical equipment too, which is housed inside of a first aid kit. It also has a flashlight, a snow shovel, and even a reflective vest. So, you will be able to tackle any and all issues that can occur when you are on the road.